Hello everyone, welcome to Learn at Scholar. I'm Geeta Khatri and here we will solve some questions based on the chapter Polynomials, the second chapter of your textbook.
These questions are important from the point of view of board exams. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial 2x square minus 13x plus 6, then alpha plus beta is equal to C. Alpha and beta are the zeros of the given polynomial. The difficulty level of the question is low. That means the question is very easy. If you know the relation between coefficient and the zeros, you will be able to solve the question very easily. So, we will first find out what is alpha plus beta. We know that alpha plus beta are the two zeros and they are related to the coefficients as minus b upon a. That means alpha plus beta, that means the sum of the two zeros of the quadratic equation is equal to minus b upon a. So, b is the coefficient of x which is given as 13 minus 13. So, minus minus plus. The answer will be 13 upon 2. Our next question is, if one zero of a quadratic polynomial kx square plus 3x plus k is 2, then the value of k is, we will put the value of x as 2 because 2 is one of the zero of the polynomial. Then we will get the solution as 0 because putting 2 in the equation we are going to get 0 because 2 is the zero of the equation of the polynomial. By solving the equation or the polynomial, we will get the value of k. 2 into 2 is 4, 4k plus 3 into 2 is 6, 6 plus k. 4k plus k is 5k plus 6 is equal to 0. Shifting 6 to the other side, we will get minus 6 upon 5 as the answer.
See, the questions are not straightforward. So you have to solve these questions like a puzzle. It is a type of brainstorming activity. You will get these type of questions or problems in your board examination. So you have seen how I solved. Isn't it easy? I'm going to solve many problems, many questions based on different chapters given in your textbook of 10th standard. If you want to watch, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye-bye.